Hey, don't come out. Don't come out. You don't want to be seen. All right, here we go. So my lady just cooked this for me. And this is the stinging nettle, believe it or not, with a little cheese mixed in. And here we have the Japanese knotweed shoots. There's a small one. You can actually see the end of the... And here we have, believe it or not, except for that knotweed they got caught on there, this here is Virginia bluebells. Yes. You know, those beautiful flowers. And this is a hard-boiled egg. And a hunk of garlic. There we have it. I'm going to give her a shot at it. Nettles. Knotweed. I'm looking forward to getting some more of the chicken in the woods again. We got knotweed. And we got some nettles in there too. This knotweed started to get a hole. It's just big enough and mature to get a hole in it. I'm going to take over the river banks and creek banks. Thank you very much.